Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how you can add borders and shadows to different elements of your Getresponse landing page. If you don't yet have a Getresponse account, make sure to check the link in the description below. You can use it to create a free forever Getresponse account with 30 days access to all Getresponse premium features. Now let's get started. Adding borders and shadows to different elements of your landing page is a good way to make them stand out and bring attention to these items. To add borders and shadows to a certain element, double-click on that element, and then, from this toolbar, click this icon. From this window, we can change the border style by choosing which sides around the item we want the border to appear. Choose the border line type to make a solid or dotted border. Change the border color and size. Next, we can change the border radius from this menu. The more we increase these numbers, the more rounded the corners of the border become. By default, the border radius changes for all the 4 corners at once. If we click this small lock at the center, we can change the radius for individual corners of the border. And then, from this bottom menu, we can add a shadow color to the item, change the shadow opacity, change its distance, direction, spread, and blur levels. We can add borders and shadows to many elements in our landing page, including forms, images, videos, buttons, shapes, and product boxes. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure to subscribe to the channel and enable the notification bell to get notified with every new video. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and I will try my best to answer all of your questions. For more tutorials, check the playlists in the description below for step-by-step guides on how to use Getresponse. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.